Hello everybody for this present simple test. You have 20 questions, and 10 seconds for each. Share your score at the end. Let's get started. Let's start by something easy. Question 1. He to school every day. The answer is B. He goes to school every day. Because we have the pronoun he. Question 2. Do they coffee in the morning? The answer is B. Do they drink coffee in the morning? Question 3. She doesn't English very well. The answer is C. She doesn't speak English very well. Remember, even if we have the pronoun she, we don't use s for the negative sentence. Question 4. They play tennis on Sundays. The answer is A. They don't play tennis on Sundays. Question 5. Does it in winter here? The answer is B. Does it rain in winter here? Remember, rains is for positive statements, not interrogative. Question 6. We always dinner at 7 p.m. The answer is C. We always have dinner at 7 p.m. In this case, it's a habit. We use the present simple. Question 7. She like pizza. The answer is A. She doesn't like pizza. Always remember the pronoun she or he. Question 8. I to the gym every morning. The answer is A. I go to the gym every morning. Once again, we have a habit, therefore, we use the present simple. Question 9. Do you French? The answer is B. Do you speak French? Question 10. They want to join the party. The answer is C. They don't want to join the party. Question 11. My brother never his homework. The answer is B. My brother never does his homework. We requires does with a brother. Question 12. Does she her room every day? The answer is A. Does she tidy her room every day? Question 13. They live in London. The answer is A. They don't live in London. Question 14. My cat like water. The answer is B. My cat doesn't like water. Question 15. He the guitar very well. The answer is A. He plays the guitar very well. I think it's okay for you now for the S with the pronoun he or she. Question 16. I know the answer to this question. The answer is A. I don't know the answer to this question. Question 17. We breakfast every day at 8 a.m. The answer is C. We eat breakfast every day at 8 a.m. Question 18. Do they in this neighborhood? The answer is B. Do they live in this neighborhood? Question 19. She always coffee with milk. The answer is C. She always has coffee with milk. Question 20. They watch TV before bed. The answer is B. They don't watch TV before bed. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. And what quiz should we do next? I hope you enjoyed this test and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. Pick your next challenge. See you.